has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, east central Marion County, south central Ashland County, northern Morrow County, northern Knox County until 9 p.m. At 7:59 p.m.,
was not
a
meant to
severe
go.
thunderstorm was located near Shaw, or near Mount Gilead, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Cardington, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, Caledonia, Edison, Gann, North Liberty, Iberia, and Shaw. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy with showers.